Welcome back to another full eating video, and today we have Burger King. I think it was the maple bacon burger I got. One of the new ones I got from the menu. Onion rings, french fries, chicken fries. I haven't got this in forever, so I did ask for zesty sauce, but they only gave me barbecue sauce, but at least they gave me two, so. I know I keep saying it that like I only drink water in these videos, and the last couple of videos I've been drinking Diet Coke or something. I mean, what am I supposed to not get the combo? So if it's a situation where I can get a combo, I end up just getting like a Diet Coke or something. Because why would I just get water? Try one of the new whoppers. Ugh. Try one of the new whoppers. Not bad. I don't know what it is. Ever since I realized that napkins. Ever since I realized you can add onion rings to your burgers at Burger King for free, I do it every time. I think they have good. Like, I don't think their fries are bad. I like the fries, but I honestly feel like they have better. Well, okay. They have better onion rings, but I think their sauce is what makes their onion rings usually good, the zesty sauce. And obviously I did not get that today. I've always been a bigger fan of Burger King than McDonald's. But I mean, I know that's a hot take. Everyone remembers the Burger King foot lettuce stuff. But I think they won the CEO wars. Well, just between them and McDonald's, I guess. It's like a weird flavor combination. Oh, here we go. This is why I feel bad, because someone said it feels like they're like third wheeling whenever I talk to this camera instead of this one. But I swear, I'm mainly focused on y'all. So this one's just for the like straight on shorts and stuff. Also for the mic setup, that's a little different. I think what throws it off a little bit is that it's like, it's good, but I think the flame grilled, like the flame grilled taste with like the maple bacon and the barbecue, I think it's like the combination's a little weird. like a syrupy mixed with like more like a syrup taste mixed with a barbecue mixed with like a smoky taste. It's kind of unique. I feel like I'm a good many videos behind posting right now for like the full eating videos, but they're still being done, obviously. Yes, you'll see, because this will come after like 4 more posts, but it was a busy week, so at work and stuff, so, and just gym and other stuff going on. I got a flat tire. My pads and rotors need to be done, so I don't have the stuff to do my pads and rotors myself, or the time to really try to get it right. And then I had to I just took my tire off and jacked it up myself and figured out where the hole is, but obviously I don't have the stuff to plug it, so I'm just gonna take it to the shop and have them plug it for me just to be easier, so I don't have to worry about it. It happened like, I'm recording this like Thursday, April 2nd, and it happened the morning. I had to get into work early this morning for something, and it literally, I usually kind of look at my tires sometimes just in the morning before I go to work, because I've had it happen to me when I was commuting a very long time, when I lived in a different state, and I woke up and I had a flat tire, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I had to go to the shop and sit there for like, it didn't open for a whole another hour. And I was leaving at like 6 a.m. because I live far away, and then so I had to wait like hour and something. It took like over 2 hours. Then my car's a little older, so I had the lug nuts, like the pieces and everything that the piece that the lug nuts go on, those snapped. So those had to be replaced and put back in and stuff. And so it just took a while. And I was like, ironically, it happened on the same wheel that had a flat last time too, of course. Yeah, I've never replaced my pads and rotors, or like I really mess with like plugging a tire or anything, but I have like a friend that could help me, and also a sibling that could help me, so I would do it. It probably would save me a lot, but it's like, I know it's also one of those things that's like you have to pay for the parts, and then also like the time and everything. So I'm just taking the time to take it to the shop and everything, not worrying, just spend hours learning it or hours trying to watch and do it as well. One of my coworkers did put me on, I think it's Rock Auto Parts, like a wholesale parts shop online to order from, and they give you magnets, like a collector's magnets, everything. Like people sit in there, like pictures of their cars, and like they select which ones they want on magnets with a picture and everything, and has your name, your car, or like the collector series number and everything, which is really cool. But like, the difference is, I feel like my partner's not gonna like seeing them all if I keep ordering stuff for it, right? Because I placed my filters and stuff on my car, and I was like, but they came in separate packages, so I got 2 magnets. And then when my girlfriend came home, she's like, what are those? I'm like, they're magnets from the thing I ordered from. She's like, I don't like that. I'm like, oh, but there's collector items. So we'll see how many I can get till they have to find their own place. And to be fair, we have like travel magnet, like traveling stuff we've been to, a road trip or outdoor like magnets on that thing. So it completely throws off everything. Not that she just doesn't want them on there, it just throws off like what the magnets we currently have in our fridge. I think my brightness is good enough. I'm trying to see if I have food on my face. I feel like my lighting is almost too close. It gives like leaves like rings behind me almost. I try to angle it more, but maybe because it's like late at night right now, that it's so dark that like it's really harsh from even like I feel like farther back than usual. Whom's to say? Whom's to say? Does anyone like the chicken fries? I feel like when I was younger, I like not always, but like if I didn't get the Whopper, I got chicken fries, which I guess probably what most people do anyways, but I always enjoyed them as a kid, right? Who doesn't like chicken fingers and stuff? Simple, it's good. Fries. The chicken fries just felt special though. Like it's a different shape, so as a kid it was like cool. Excuse me. Also, I was thinking about getting this. I was thinking about getting the fries with like a vanilla ice cream, right? There's like a deal. I was like, I did eat Krispy Kreme at work today. And I did eat a donut again yesterday. I was like, I'm gonna stick with something more protein based. So I got the chicken fries, which probably gets outruled by like the fat content and being fried and everything, but we're not gonna worry about that. We started watching an anime the other day. What's it called? We actually both really like it. What is it called? I would say the hair colors of the main characters. But it's not like someone's gonna answer me right away. It's not like I'm live right now. So I'm trying to think of the main characters, but I've been reading the Wotakoi manga after watching the show and everything. And so like those main characters like are stuck in my head right now. I can't think of it. But all I know, I said well, romance ones. They're in high school. Quiet. I can't even say the hair color because the hair color is basically the same as it is in almost every single, not every single romance one, right? But like usually guy has dark hair. It's fit the same cliche as like what's a koi with like super quiet guy, dark hair. Excuse me. Only difference is what is it called? What to be? Dang. This is gonna make me want. This is gonna screw with me. I'm just gonna go downstairs and watch an episode, to be honest, after this. Because I'm gonna remember that, obviously, right when I see it, the character's names, everything. But in the first episode, she confesses to him. She's like a popular, she tries to be trendy. She bangs, she does her hair. Pink hair. Dark hair, he sits next to her in class, front row. She has a huge crush on him. Completely mind blank right now. My brain cells aren't colliding. That probably offset all the calories I burned at the gym, so. But I guess on the bright side, I got protein in for post lift, so. It's gonna kill me the fact that, sorry, this whole time I've been thinking, like, what is the name of this? What is the name of the show? I'll remember after watching a few more episodes, and I'll talk about it in the next full eating video, but I like it so far. It's more goofy, more colorful. So, anyways, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. You'll never know what I'm going to do, I guess. The next full eating video, you'll see in a short form if you watch my short form videos first. But, as always, thank you for watching.